Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Discord. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we're scrolling down until you find this window of Discord. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.